Hi, I'm Valerie and I'm a pharmacist at Strive Pharmacy. Today, we're going to walk you through how to properly use and store your mega pump. Before dispensing your medication, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Each mega pump can hold up to 12 grams of medication. The pump is transparent, which makes it easy to see when it's time to request a refill. To get started, remove the cap and hold the device upright. Press firmly down on the pump actuator. Each pump delivers a measured dose of 0.2 grams of medication. If the medication doesn't dispense right away, that's okay. Sometimes a small amount of air can be trapped inside the device during shipping or manufacturing. To prime the pump, press down firmly on the actuator several times until you see a consistent amount of medication being dispensed from the nozzle. Apply the medication directly to the affected area using your fingertip or an applicator, exactly as prescribed by your provider. Make sure the area of the skin is clean and dry before applying. Gently rub the medication into your skin until it is fully absorbed. Avoid applying the medication to broken skin, such as cuts and burns, unless your provider specifically instructs you to do so. Once you're finished, take a moment to check the nozzle of the device. If needed, you can gently wipe it clean with a tissue or a paper towel. Then replace the cap securely. If any medication gets on your hands, be sure to wash them right away. Store your mega pump upright, away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight. And as always, keep it out of reach of children and pets. Thank you for joining us. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to strivepharmacy.com.